because of my underconfidence, being very honest. Actually, I was a good student academically from my very childhood. So, but in 12th, IIT was never my dream. I never wanted to be an engineer. It was
Galgotias was your dream. कितने घंटे पढ़ते थे फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर में? याद है कुछ?
see, मैं मूड के हिसाब से पढ़ती हूँ, घंटे मैटर नहीं करते फिर. अगर मन है तो पूरा दिन पूरा रात पढ़ सकता है, नहीं मन है तो फिर नहीं पढ़ रहा.
Your first interview, totally.
So I was literally running to my friend's room last minute for my laptop and my camera was not working. So I was kind of unprepared.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today this is Arav Gupta. आज हमारे साथ है अनुष्का, जिसने गलगोटियाज यूनिवर्सिटी से 22 LPA क्रॉस करा है. अनुष्का, मैं ना आज की कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहता हूँ आपके एटीट्यूड के ऊपर. समथिंग डिफरेंट. मतलब कि जैसे ना जब मैं आपसे फर्स्ट टाइम मिला इट टर्म्स की मतलब कुछ अलग है अनुष्का में. जैसे नॉर्मल दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं, तो एक्सट्रोवर्ट या इंट्रोवर्ट. या तो बोलते ही नहीं कि ठीक है आरव, 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 या फिर वो इतना बोलते हैं मेरे को चुप करना पड़ता है. तो आप किस टाइप के पर्सन हो?
Actually, I was an introvert from the beginning, too much, like extreme level of introvert. And my communication skills really sucked. So I literally worked a lot on it because I knew I have to go out of my home. I have to go out of my comfort zone. So I really needed to improvise myself. I really needed to grow up. For that, I worked a lot on my communication skill. People usually learn to, be alone and enjoy their own company. But I have learned to be with people, to enjoy the company of other people. So basically, I think I am an ambivert kind of person, which I have usually became because it was required to be.
ठीक है, ठीक है. अगेन यार, आपके एक्सेंट से इट सीम्स लाइक कि यू बेस्ड आउट ऑफ साउथ, बैंगलोर, केरला, कर्नाटका के अराउंड, बट ऐसा नहीं है आज भी. मैं ठीक है, लेट्स गो मोर अबाउट इट कि हाउ you had improved your communication skill. The best way I think is to hang out with people, to connect with likely minded people. जितना ज़्यादा होए, express yourself, speeches दो and everything.
Actually, I derive energy from within. I actually don't, prefer hanging out with people more, but I have usually learned that. So basically, I was in standard 8 when my mama pointed out that I'm underconfident. I'm not confident. At that time, I denied that it's not so. But eventually, when I looked around, I realized that I was too much underconfident. Then I worked on it. And I literally, self-talk is the thing that has helped me a lot. And one more thing, like when you imagine, there is a language in which you imagine. That's usually your mother tongue. I converted that language into English because normally if I have to interact with people or, communicate, I usually have to do that in English. So I changed that to English, So that helped me achieve fluency. And, that shortage of words while speaking helped me overcome all those things. And that really helped me in my communication skills and to grow confident.
You know what, Anushka, this is a very beautiful place. I love to interact with multiple people, multiple identities. Okay. Every time it used to be like somewhere like development, DSA, but you are a type of different person it seems. But so आपकी communication skills ने आपके अभी right now आपकी achievements पे कितना contribute करा है?
It has helped me a lot. For the very first thing, like when you communicate properly, you interact with a lot of people. So with interactions, I literally interacted with too many people while my Cisco interview and process. That helped me a lot.
कैसे? कहाँ?
For example, when I got shortlisted for the further rounds, I connected with many trainers like Ujjwal Batra sir. Is a person who manages the Infosys, he's from Board Infinity and he manages all of the trainers and everything from the Board Infinity. So I had conversation with him also. He helped me through my interviews, like he arranged mock interviews for me, and like many trainers helped me through my PPT thing. So I interacted with a lot of people. So one thing, like your communication skill, when you interact properly with people, you know how to take help from them, and that helps you. And second thing, in your interviews, it's very important for you, to communicate properly, to speak up and to...
Communication helped you a lot, है ना?
And in interviews, it's important to show your clarity of thoughts, what going in your mind. It's important for you to represent it properly. So in that, and there were 3 interviews, like technical interview, managerial interview, and HR interview. So you need to be good at communication skill, really. So to crack those interviews, I really feel so.
ठीक है, what's the ratio percentage of Anushka being good in technical skills versus Anushka being good in communication skills?
So you tell me about my communication skills. You rate me on a scale of 10.
यार, I can treat you better on a communication skills, but I don't know about your technical skills ना, तो वो मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ.
So right now leave it. Right now I'm just asking about my communication skills. It's fine, you don't know about my technical
Yeah,
skills.
I can rate you 8 to 9.
Okay, fine, great. I think I'm better at communication skill.
More better.
Yeah. Because BTech was not something I was very enthusiastic about from the very beginning. It just came in my bag very unplanned.
ठीक है, थोड़ा ऐसे.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, yeah, it just came. And how it came?
It came because of my underconfidence, being very honest. Actually, I was a good student academically from my very childhood. So, but in 12th, IIT was never my dream.
आपका first year at Galgote है.
First year. Actually, my session started so late. Like, I got my admission in late November. Our classes started from December. So basically, we just had 1 month of first semester. Then our second semester started from February, and then our first semester was held in summer term. So basically, my first year was not so long. I didn't had too many friends also in first year. So it was just extreme normal, just studies, nothing else, nothing extracurricular, nothing, no more fun.
Have you decided anything like during your first year कि आप ये करोगे या फिर?
No, I haven't decided anything. I was just exploring everything I could.
And what all you had explored?
Like in academics, I am saying, like I was studying whatever I was getting to. So
जो curriculum में था.
yeah, I was nothing was pre-planned that I want to be in specific. I want to make my career in specific area. So it was not pre-planned. I was just going with the flow. I was just attempting everything I was getting to. I was not ignoring anything, ignoring any aspect. So like there can be possibilities in any of the field.
ठीक है. Was there anything you were fond of during your first year? Any academic subject or anything? Might be coding, yeah, might be soft skills, anything.
Coding, I got interested in coding quite late, being very honest. But subjects like maths were there. I liked maths. So I was interested in all of those.
And what about your friends? आप जैसी personality के लोगों के दोस्त कैसे होंगे? What do you think? मतलब which type of friends do you have? Very extrovert, very introvert, या फिर very ambivert?
I have very different kind of friends. Like in last semester, actually, my 6th semester, I made many new friends in college. And more from the first year, actually, I had friends in my hostel rather than in college. So they were my more... they are extrovert. My friends are actually very chill and they have kind of made me very chill.
आप friends के साथ भी English में बात करते हो?
नहीं.
ठीक है.
मेरी एक फ्रेंड है निशा, वो मुझे बोलती भी है कि तेरी हिंदी में भी एक इंग्लिश का एक्सेंट है. अब वो क्या है क्यों है मुझे.
And why you mastering this English? Just because to showcase your very good communication skills, but because मतलब I consider myself a very good communicator, but still I prefer to speak Hindi यार. हिंदी से ना I can just touch up that vibe of that person.
हिंदी में मैं भी बात करती हूँ दोस्तों से, मैं हर किसी से हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. बट जब मैं ऐसे किसी से फर्स्ट टाइम इंटरेक्ट कर रही होती हूँ, आई टोल्ड यू दैट आई वाज अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस ड्राइव करना ना मेरे लिए मुश्किल होता है तुरंत.
Okay.
तो वो इंग्लिश में मैं थोड़ा इजीली अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाती हूँ.
अब आप कंफर्टेबल हो गए मेरे साथ, तो अब हम हिंदी में बात करें. ठीक है अनुष्का, और क्या क्या फन करा फर्स्ट ईयर में?
फर्स्ट ईयर वाज नॉट फन एट ऑल.
इतना पढ़ाई करी, इतना एक्सप्लोर करा अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स को.
Third year was quite fun for me. Like
उल्टा होना चाहिए था.
Yeah. In third year, I attended most number of classes, rather than in first year. And in third year, I had too much fun expected to my first year. So from studies to friends to fun, everything, most of the things I did in my third year.
And what happened second year में?
Beach ka.
Quite good sort of.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
when did you start coding?
From my second year.
Okay.
first year was short lived. So from second year I started coding.
Which language did
Java. Actually, in our third year we have to study DSA with Java. So at that time I picked up Java and I went with it only.
How you started that Java के साथ coding? What were the initial resources you took? Guidance, mentors. The first day at coding of Anushka.
First day.
At coding.
I actually, in third semester, there was our faculty, Sachin sir, his name was. He was too good when he was teaching Java, so I used to get the concepts. And besides that, I studied from on YouTube and online platforms. That was the way I studied and code, and I did coding on Visual Studio Code on all IDs, from by myself only. No such any extra mentor or resources.
ठीक है अनुष्का. So people used to tell me यार they did group study है ना, they had multiple friends जो same identities के साथ हैं, उनके साथ they did mock interviews kind of thing. So you were which type of person, like studying and coding alone बिल्कुल एक environment में?
I study alone. I don't prefer studying in group. Like from my childhood I have always studied alone, so I prefer studying alone. That's more beneficial for me. If my friends ask for help, I do, but I prefer normally studying alone.
Okay.
Because with friends, I think
So
I will chill more rather
you
than
don't
studying.
consider like interacting with people, interacting with likely minded people in terms of कि ठीक है I am doing coding का XYZ, if Anushka is doing ABC, so I'll interact with you, I'll get more exposure of what ABC looks like क्योंकि मेरा वो आगे जाकर concept आने वाला है, something like that. या फिर
I didn't find such people a lot. So
getting you.
basically,
There are multiple identities. हाँ ठीक है. तो you
And
start.
there's one more thing, like people, if they're studying also, they usually don't open up about it. They're not so like that.
कि मैंने
because-
इतना पढ़ लिया,
Yeah,
इतना
yeah.
पढ़ लिया, इतना बोला,
They
कोई नहीं
usually-
बताता.
They usually try
आप भी
to
नहीं
use-
बताते.
I speak just few minutes ago. you remember what happened. So you can imagine how much I can share. So I usually share.
तो अकॉर्डिंग टू अनुष्का लोग पढ़ते हैं बट बताते नहीं है. ठीक है.
होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. लाइक लोग छुपाते हैं कि वो क्या पढ़ रहा है. लाइक वो रात भर पढ़ के आएंगे, वो सुबह आपके सामने बैठेंगे लाइक मैंने तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं.
ठीक है. लेट्स आस्क कि आप कितने घंटे पढ़ते थे फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर में? याद है कुछ?
सी मैं मूड के हिसाब से पढ़ती हूँ. घंटे मैटर नहीं करते. फिर अगर मन है तो पूरा दिन पूरा रात पढ़ सकता है, नहीं मन है तो फिर नहीं पढ़ रहा है. बिकॉज वो फिर फोर्सफुल लगता है ना कि आप ज़बरदस्ती पढ़ रहे हो. इट्स बेटर कि आप जितना आपका मन हो, आप इंटरेस्टेड हो, आप तब पढ़ो. बिकॉज आप तभी नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज इट्स वेस्ट आपके. आप फोर्सफुली मेरे को दिन के इतने घंटे कंप्लीट करना है. बट दो इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी डिसिप्लिन्ड एंड कि इतना पढ़ना चाहिए. बट या जब मन हो तब आप पढ़ोगे तो इट्स मोर बेटर.
ठीक है.
दैट्स माई वे एक्चुअली.
ठीक है. किस चीज़ से चालू करा था पढ़ाई? डीएसए से, डेवलपमेंट से?
एक्चुअली मैंने डीएसए से स्टार्ट करा था, लाइक फ्रॉम विद जावा. देन इवेंचुअली वेबडीबी स्टार्ट करा, वो भी सीखी. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट कि मुझे डीएसए ही करना है एंड दैट्स मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट इवेंचुअली आई लैंडेड इन अ नेटवर्किंग कंपनी. दैट वाज अनएक्सपेक्टेड. बट या
थर्ड ईयर में मतलब यू डिड एनी इंटर्नशिप वगैरह? तो
no,
Tell me more about
basically Cisco had I got selected in Cisco through Cisco Ideathon, and at the starting of it there were many courses on Netcad Academy which we had to complete it. तो हमने पहले वो courses complete करे. then MCQ round था, उसमें हमें एग्जाम क्वेश्चंस थे नेटवर्किंग से, एप्टीट्यूड्स एंड वन कोडिंग क्वेश्चन. वी हैड टू डू दैट. एंड देन आइडियाथॉन था तो हमें पीपीटी सबमिट करनी थी अपने आइडिया की रिकॉर्डिंग. हमने वो करी. एंड देन इंटरव्यूज़ थे, 3 इंटरव्यूज थे. टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू वाज मेजरली फोकस्ड ऑन नेटवर्किंग बिकॉज इसका
नेटवर्किंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ थोड़ा सा
कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स.
हाँ. ओके. हाँ तो ठीक है. लेट्स गो डीप अराउंड कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क वाले कोर में ना.
So computer network like switches, routers, firewalls and everything. And besides that, all of the core subjects of DSA were also asked. So and then it was managerial interview and then HR.
क्या करती है Cisco?
Cisco is a networking company. It is a product-based company. It makes products like switches, routers, and firewalls, and it has also an online platform like Webex. So it basically has its own products, and it Yeah, that's it.
तो you mentioned third year में you had lots of fun.
Yeah.
ठीक है, why, क्यों?
Like in third year sections हमारे change हो गए थे and I had least expectations कि मेरे दोस्त बनेंगे, but it came very unexpected कि मेरे उस section में दोस्त बने. It was a table of 6 to 7 people and we literally had so much fun. Every teacher knew us. Like we never went unnoticed in the classroom. We literally made friends with the trainers and faculties also. So it was so fun. Like beating each other, like always in chaos, hanging out, having lunch together, and many such sort of things that people usually do in the first year. I did that in the third year.
And still you got इतना सारा package. ठीक है, तो यार
Because on that table it was not only about fun. Everyone was great in studies and everyone was studying.
how many people were there?
7 people.
And what about rest 6? What they are doing?
They are still preparing. They will do good. I trust them. They will eventually do good. So that definitely, like I can name them: Aditya, Natansh, Jayanti, Jigyasa, Sameer, and me.
वो 6 भी देखेंगे सेशन ना, फिर दे विल बी लाइक कि ठीक है, अनुष्का ने हमें भी शाउट आउट दिया है.
I hope I didn't forget someone.
ठीक है यार, तो मतलब बट स्टिल फिर हाउ यू मैनेज दैट फन पार्ट एंड स्टडी पार्ट? यू मेंशनड कि ग्रुप स्टडी यू डोंट लाइक.
Yeah, फर्स्ट ईयर से नहीं करा है ग्रुप स्टडी, बट तब करा है थोड़ा बहुत, इतना भी नहीं करा है. बट जब आप क्लासरूम में होते हो, दोस्तों के साथ होते हो, तो आप मज़े कर रहे हो. बट व्हेन इट्स टाइम टू स्टडी, व्हेन यू आर एट होम, यू नीड टू स्टडी. एट दैट टाइम एवरीवन यूज्ड टू स्टडी, एंड इन क्लासरूम ऑल्सो व्हेन टीचर इज टीचिंग समथिंग, यू नीड टू लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट. एट दैट टाइम वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी, वी यूज्ड टू कोड. So it wasn't that we were not studying. We were studying, but alongside we were having too much fun. We really enjoyed each other's company. So that was about my third year, being precise about my 6th semester. So that is how it went.
Which year was the most hard-working year for you?
Third year.
Third year, मतलब in terms of fun also, in terms
Yeah.
of पढ़ाई also. What about the initial half of your fourth year?
Initial
half of your fourth year, seventh semester.
It has just started.
Okay.
Like not a month has also passed on.
And कब लगी थी ये intern job आपकी?
The result, like the interviews were on like around 24-25th of July, and I got the result on 9th of August.
ठीक है, तो 22 LPA from Galgotia University. How did you achieve this, Anushka?
Consistency is the key, bro. Trust me. Like many people will say that leave it, kuch nahi hona. Like there were 7 courses, at that time. There was one day, like literally I had to hang out with my friends, and I have 2 courses left doing, and I got a thought literally that I should give up, मतलब छोड़ देती हूँ. And that day I was in a really bad mood. मतलब मैं बहुत परेशान थी उस दिन. मैंने सोचा छोड़ देती हूँ, but then I thought कि नहीं, कर लेती हूँ. हार्ड वर्क नेवर गोज इन वेन, इट विल पे ऑफ. एंड मैंने लिटरली ये बोला ऐसे, भगवान जी इस मेहनत का फल तो दोगे ना. आई हैव लिटरली सेड दिस एंड आई हैव कंप्लीटेड द कोर्सेज एट दैट नाइट, एंड आई नेवर गेव अप ऑन इट. वॉट एवर अपॉर्चुनिटीज केम, you really need to be consistent with your work. Doesn't matter what's going to happen in future, result are going to be positive or negative, you never need to give up on your things. Consistency is the key. If you are consistent with your work, you will really achieve what you want in your life. So I really feel consistency is really important.
How your parents are feeling?
Happy. Like my mom was really teary-eyed when she heard this, so she was really happy, and my dad also.
Did you expect this कि 22 LPA का लग जाएगा, according to your studies, according to your communication?
Actually, when I was finding colleges for myself, then I had a conversation with my friend that at least I want a package of 20 lakhs.
Oh.
And this is so true. I'm not lying. But this, this vision, this dream kind of was like little bit वो थोड़ा सा डगमगाता है ना in first and second year of my college. But till last I made it. So I'm really happy about this.
Did you believe in manifestation?
Yeah. I so believe in it. Like I have manifested things in my life and have really got them in my life.
Instead of 22 LPA, what else did you manifested?
Many things, like for example, I wanted a good college life, but I didn't got in the start, in the beginning. I had friends. It's not that I didn't had friend in college in the beginning. I had, but I didn't had a very cool life. But what happened with me in third year doesn't happen with anybody in the third year. I manifested it. I got it in the third year.
Third year
also.
also you manifested it.
Like anytime I got this.
How did you manifest? Can I go more deeper into it?
Like I believe in it that I will get it, and I get it. That like there's no second chance that anything else. What if it doesn't happen? नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. I believe कि मुझे ये चाहिए और ये होगा. And definitely you need to work in that direction to make it happen. So it happens. I believe so.
Nice यार. तो आपके मम्मी पापा ने सोचा था कि इतना कर दोगे आप before sending you to the college. What about your mama?
Mom, oh.
You told me na in the
Yeah,
beginning
yeah,
that your mama was saying you were underconfident and
वो मेरे लिए बहुत मैटर करता है. ही इज लाइक अ मेंटर टू मी इन माई लाइफ. कि मैं किसी को लुक अप टू करती हूँ, एडमायर करती हूँ, लाइक मेनी चीजें.
what does he do?
ही इज एन बिजनेस एनालिस्ट इन शेल.
Nice.
Actually, he was the first person to tell me, कि I was under confident, and मेरे सेल्फ ग्रोथ जर्नी में उनका बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन है. बिकॉज ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आपको बताती है आपके बारे में कि आपको अपने आप पे काम करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है टू ग्रो इन लाइफ. एकेडमिक्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट टू ग्रो इन लाइफ यू रियली नीड टू वर्क हार्ड ऑन योर सेल्फ, ऑन योर पर्सनैलिटी एंड मेनी सच थिंग्स. So he was the person who told me, and not about just one thing, underconfident, many things. He always encourages me to go ahead in my life. He's always there for me. Like whenever I need him, तो बहुत support करता है मेरे को, and वो बहुत ज़्यादा मैं उन्हें admire करती हूँ. तो मैंने उनसे बहुत चीज़ें सीखी है लाइफ में. तो and he was definitely proud of me, and before the interviews also, and before the results were announced, he always told me that you will get through this.
ठीक
You will
है.
get it.
Let's talk more about the interviews and how many companies. मतलब कितनी सारी companies के लिए आपने interviews दिए थे and क्या क्या हुआ?
Actually, for the first company which I gave interview was for the one bank. उसके बाद मैंने second interview Cisco का ही दिया था.
Direct. Okay.
Cisco के 3 interviews थे. That was my second company for
Did
that.
you have any mark या फिर sort of कुछ cap सोच रखी थी आपने कि okay I want submit the form under 10 LPA वाली companies में या फिर 15 LPA वाली companies में? Let's suppose Cisco से पहले कोई MNC आती, might be आई होगी, around 3, 4, 5, 6 LPA दे रही होगी, तो क्या आप apply करते?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I believe कोई भी अपॉर्चुनिटी को आपको ऐसे हल्के में नहीं लेना चाहिए. आपके पास जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है आपको यूटिलाइज करना चाहिए. ठीक है, अगर मुझे 3-4 LPA वाली मिल जाती, मेरे पास फर्दर ऑप्शंस होता डेफिनेटली कि मैं अपनी दूसरी कंपनीज में अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ, बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए स्ट्राइव कर सकती हूँ. व्हाट इफ आई बैड लक एनीथिंग, मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती, तो फिर तो ये भी अपॉर्चुनिटी जाती ना. कुछ नहीं से तो बेटर है कि कुछ हो एटलीस्ट हाथ में. सो आई बिलीव कि किसी भी अपॉर्चुनिटी को हमें ऐसे वेस्ट नहीं जाना चाहिए. अगर हमें मिल रही है तो वी शुड यूटिलाइज इट.
I'm getting you. Let's suppose कि आज अगर सिस्को में आप प्लेस नहीं होते, क्या कर रहे होते? कैसे लगता? Imagine, take a minute.
आफ्टर गिविंग द इंटरव्यूज मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा होता, ट्रस्ट में. ये सिस्को इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है लिटरली. एंड मैं फर्दर अप्लाई कर रही होती, फर्दर अपने आप पे काम कर रही होती, और ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रही होती टू गेट थ्रू अदर कंपनीज. एज सिंपल एज दैट.
क्या क्या सीखा है सिस्को के इंटरव्यू से?
So for the first thing, like learned a lot more about the computer network concepts and cyber security. Learned a lot more about switches, routers, firewalls in detail. Second thing, interacted with lots of people, as I told you earlier. So that was also a plus point for me. So these are the 2 major takeaway of mine from this interview process.
ठीक है यार, मैं समझ रहा हूँ. ओके, आपका जो फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू था इससे पहले, उसमें क्या क्या गलतियाँ करी थी एंड उससे क्या क्या आपने टेकअवेज लिए थे? डिड यू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट?
Yeah. First of all, my first interview was quite chaotic. I was
That was your first interview, totally.
so like I was literally running to my friend's room last minute for my laptop as my camera was not working. So kind of I was kind of unprepared, a bit unprepared, which was wrong at my side, because last minute chaos makes you nervous, makes you forget your concepts, what you know and everything. So that was and I felt I needed to be more confident in that interview, to answer more properly. So these were my takeaways from my first interview, which I feel.
क्या plans हैं आगे के?
Currently Cisco join करना है and have plans like wanna work on my personal growth more
जैसे?
right now. Learn many things, do adventures which I like learn driving, playing, and many things. I wanna explore more extracurricular activities. I wanna grow in that field and in academics. Right now, I wanna focus on my job, learn new things, grow with the company. So that's my goal
Having
for
a
right now.
sustainable jobs gives you the advantage and flexibility na, to come up with your dreams, like adventure करना,
Yeah.
personal growth में करना. How
There-
grateful you are.
I'm literally grateful because there is a list of my dreams which I really want to fulfill.
ठीक है, बताओ.
And now I want
What's your bucket list looks like?
many things. Strong independent woman kind of concept. Like I want to learn. I don't know driving, so I want to learn that. A very first thing in my bucket list. I want to do many of the adventure sports. I love them really. I want to travel. I want to explore the world, hang out, try different cafes, different foods and cuisines. Many such dreams and expectations.
ठीक है, I'm getting you. ठीक है, let's lastly talk proper detail about your preparation. ठीक है कि how you prepared the DSA part from the starting of the arrays. We can go around linked list, किस type के questions, what all platforms you have explored, which type of questions did you face during your interview process.
So during my interview process, as I told you earlier, it was more about computer networking.
Okay.
So there were not too much about DSA. So there were just two simple questions from data structures that they asked me to just explain the concept. They don't ask me to code it or program it. And talking about my DSA journey, I started it from my second year, like from my third semester, starting from arrays and string. Earlier I used to code only on Visual Studio Code. Slowly I started coding on Lead Code and Geeks for Gigs, and and in my third year, starting of the third year, that's fifth semester, I started studying linked list, graph, and queue stacks, and all of these things I started studying in the third year. And I used to code once I used to learn the concept code on normal Visual Studio Code, then I used to code it on solve questions from Lead Code and Geeks for Geeks.
Great यार. अब fourth year कैसे देख रहे हो आप? प्रॉपर फन में बिताओगे या फिर will you gonna apply for more companies?
If I get some better opportunity, then definitely. Otherwise, I am just trying to study more, like to gain for my knowledge, and just do some projects which are required for college for the last year, and that's it. That's how my fourth year is going.
ठीक है.
Pretty chill and
Which
cool.
type of advice you would like to give to people? Like you have cracked 22 LPA from Galgotias and there are multiple people जो भी freshers आए हैं, ठीक है, they'll gonna watch you and people who are in third year, fourth year, आप उन सबके inspiration हो.
Too good to listen this. First thing, as I said, consistency. Consistency really matters. Never give up. Always work hard. You don't know what's gonna hit you, what's gonna work for you. So explore every aspect. Don't neglect it. That I don't like it. I don't get to it. Just work hard and be consistent. You will do it. You will achieve whatever you want. Second thing I feel is enjoy every moment of your life. Live in the present. Don't worry a lot about your future. Like enjoy every moment because you after 4 years you are not gonna remember what CGPA you earned, how did you perform academically, but you are definitely gonna remember how much friends you made in college, what the fun you did with your friends. So definitely enjoy and cherish every moment you are living in.
Very, very nice. Yeah, I appreciate your time, Anushka.
Thank you.
Best of luck for your future.
Thank you.